our new Test and Go kiosk, providing first of its kind health access for Delaware County and the region. We believe these Test and Go kiosks will be a game changer for our residents. These kiosks help reduce concerns about clinic or pharmacy hours, making critical health services accessible at any time. We believe this initiative will help improve health outcomes, especially for our most vulnerable residents who may face barriers to healthcare access. The success of these kiosks is backed by evidence from other states like Georgia, Michigan, and Washington, where they've made a tremendous impact. And we hope to see that impact here in Delaware County. Available 24/7, these kiosks will provide quick, reliable testing for COVID-19, the flu, and eventually other respiratory illnesses, as well as harm reduction tools, first aid kits, and additional essential health resources, many of which our interim health department director will detail shortly. The kiosks are conveniently located at 3 key locations. Here at the Keystone Wellness and Opportunity Center in Chester, and I thank them for their continued partnership, at the Delaware County Wellness Center in Yaden, and at the Delaware County Government Center in Media, ensuring that all of our residents can easily access these vital services. We extend our thanks to the Health Department and the whole team for bringing this initiative and innovative approach to Delaware County. And we also thank the Pennsylvania Department of Health for providing the grant opportunity that made these kiosks possible. This is a significant step forward in our mission to break down barriers to healthcare and promote equity across Delaware County. We are eager to see the positive impact of these Test and Go kiosks that we'll have in our community. And now I'm pleased to introduce Laura Warner, our interim health department director.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. I want to extend all of our heartfelt thanks to all of our amazing partners who have made today's event possible. A special thank you to Dr. Taylor and County Council and the Board of Health. I think I just saw our chair arrive. Your unwavering support and enthusiasm helps us make our public health visions a reality. We're also grateful to Keystone First for your continued partnership. Your dedication to improving health resources and access for residents is invaluable. And to our dedicated DCHD staff, your spirit and determination have driven this project forward. Your hard work is why we're here today. And lastly, thank you to Mayor Stefan Roots and the City of Chester. We love working in and serving the community of Chester, so thank you. So we're here to unveil one of our 3 Test and Go kiosk machines, as you heard from Dr. Taylor. And this is in great timing with respiratory illness season. It's here. And this represents a significant step forward in promoting health equity and access here in Delaware County. This initiative grew out of the fact that DCHD had grant funding for COVID-19 testing that was available to us for about the next 2 years. And we asked ourselves, how can we offer more than just COVID-19 testing? Take things to that next level and offer a variety of public health resources in a one-stop shop kind of location. We saw these at a national conference last year, and we realized these machines perfectly fit this need. These kiosks are designed to be available to anyone, anytime. They provide confidential results and resources and other essential products. So as you heard, we have this one here plus 2 more. They're fully automated. You don't need to wait for a clinic to be open, and they're 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So other places have installed public health vending machines, but they may only offer a single item like Narcan or those rapid antigen tests for COVID-19, when you watch for the line to appear at home. But these offer not only that, but high quality laboratory testing for COVID-19 and flu, and once approved for RSV as well. And we also have test strips, condoms, feminine hygiene supplies, and first aid kits. And I can't emphasize enough, they're all free for residents. We're going to keep working on this. This is new, so please bear with us as we manage the supply and demand at each location. We may run out of things sometimes, but we'll restock. And we're looking at adding at-home laboratory-based sexually transmitted infection disease testing as well, but that's for the future. And really, the process to use these kiosks is pretty straightforward. For all the products, except for the laboratory-based test, you just answer a few generic questions, nothing that identifies you or can contact you, just some information about you, and then it'll drop your product right there on the spot and you're done. You're good to go. For the laboratory test, we do need to take a little more information because we need to get your result to you. So we'll ask for your name and your contact information. You'll take the test. You can do it right there and then drop it in the machine, or you can take it home, do it in the privacy of your home, and then bring it back and drop it in the machine. Then it'll go to the lab. We'll get the results, and you'll get those securely sent to you in the way that you identified. So again, we encourage all of you to take control of your health on your own terms, on your own time. And we're just really grateful that you're here listening to us and taking advantage of what we have to offer. Thank you again to all our partners and attendees. Your support is vital as we continue to work towards a healthier community. And I'd like to introduce Meg.
Wow, isn't this exciting? When I first heard about this project, I was just so delighted. I can't tell you how much it means to have these services for the folks of Chester. So, good afternoon and welcome for many of you who are at the first time visiting the Keystone First Wellness and Opportunity Center. Friends, Mayor Roots, council representatives, and the Delaware County Health Department, I bring greetings on behalf of Joanne McFall, our market president for Keystone First. Kudos to the Delaware County Health Department for bringing this much-needed kiosk to help provide more access for the folks here in Chester. The timing couldn't be better. As many of you know, the Rite Aid down the street recently closed their doors, and really this is such a great help. It's partnerships like this one that we have with the health department and the city of Chester that helps us bring such services. Like we've been able to vaccinate 14,000 people, close to 14,000 people out of this location thanks to partners like you. We have many health education programs and screenings right here at our wellness center. At Keystone First, we help people get care, stay well, and build healthier communities, but we could not do this alone. We are super, super grateful to our partners right here at the Delaware County Health Department. Thank you all so very much. Oh, and now I get to invite our mayor, Stefan Roots. Come on up, Mayor Roots, and say a few words.
Good afternoon. From my vantage point over there, the first thing I saw was our roots run deep. All right, I came to the right place today. Let me tell you, this is such a momentous day for us. Meg, you hit it right on the nail. The partnership between the city of Chester and First, Keystone First, goes back a long way. And then they put this facility here, which was their commitment to Chester to continue to serve. And then there became the Delaware County Health Department, and the partnership between them and us is so important, especially for us here in Chester. Ms. Meg mentioned that just a couple blocks down the street, the last full-service, big box pharmacy closed. What she didn't mention is that the last, what do we call him, doctor? Family doctor here in the city retired just a couple years ago. We're a town with a lot of health disparities and very few health services. So to see something like this pop up in our town, it's going to help fill the gap as we build what we need to build to serve this town properly with the health disparities, with the health challenges that we have and will continue to have. So I thank everybody involved here, Keystone First, the county, whoever engineered this fabulous device. It reminds me of that little box on one of those drug commercials that have the little legs. He looks like SpongeBob SquarePants. I don't know what they're selling. I kind of would love to see this on wheels or on legs and can get around town. It's our job here in the city of Chester, though, to make people aware that this exists, to show them how to use it, and to know that all the products in there are for free, and you can get testing whenever you need it. That's just amazing to me. I'm still in awe at this whole concept. Thank you all. As the mayor of the city of Chester, thank everybody who wants to come down here and help the people here, because we absolutely are welcoming any bit of help that we can get, but particularly with our health disparities, anyone, if you have anything to share, anything to give, please don't hesitate to call our office, because we're going to welcome you right in. So thank you so much.
And we'll take some questions from members of the press.
We're going to be looking at that very closely and watching the demand. It's on a monthly basis right now. So. Yeah, there's a courier that's on call. The company's notified when a lab test goes in that little box right there, and so they'll know to come out and get that test right away and get that to the lab.
Yes. So the grant that we received from the State Department of Health was worth $200,000, and that's the grant that we utilized to purchase all 3 kiosks and for the replacement products. Any additional questions? All right.
Sounds good. Good. Okay, we will have our ribbon cutting ceremony now. Gifty, Sheeta, with the ribbon. Yep. Laura, we probably should. All right, and I'm going to set up a picture. Hold on.
Please don't drop it. You're open toed.
Everybody, you guys can hold it in front of Rashida and you back there. We need more people holding the ribbon between on the outside of Dr. Taylor and me.